Hello! Welcome to my channel, Mr. Handyman, at your service. We are going to repair TCL LED TV, dim picture but with sound, conversion and modification. Guys, before we start, please share and subscribe to support my YouTube channel and to update you in my next videos. Let's test the unit. Here's the problem: dim picture with sound. Initially, our suspect is the backlight. Here is the unit model, LED 48D2700. Okay, let's start. Let's troubleshoot the unit. We are now checking the voltage output of the inverter. Before we proceed, we notice that the inverter has 4 outputs to drive all the LED backlight. Let's check the output number 4 if the voltage are present. It has 50.3 volts DC output. Let's check the output number 3. It has also 50.4 volts DC output. Let's proceed to output number 1. There is no output voltage at this terminal. Let's check the output number 2. It has no output already. It means that the IC inverter for output number 3 and 4 is okay, and the IC inverter for output number 1 and 2 is defective. We are going to convert and modify the inverter circuit of this unit. We are using LED TV constant high current universal inverter backlight board to eliminate this problem in the future. It is available online, it's durable and tested. Okay guys, we are going to connect the universal inverter board and incorporate in the main board circuit. There's socket terminal label at the back of the universal board. To identify the pin configuration of the unit socket, there's also label indicated here. We are going to use the backlight on, ground, and 12 volts B+ of the circuit board. We are going to solder it for proper connection. Here's the actual connection. At Attach the backlight socket in the universal circuit board and take note the polarity. Short both end of output terminal socket of universal board to conduct the 4B plus wire of LED backlight. Now, we are going to test the unit. Guys, the unit is okay. We converted and modified the inverter circuit and returned its normal operation. For more videos to come, please support my YouTube channel and please share and subscribe and leave your comments and suggestions below. Thanks for watching and goodbye for now.